In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down, and when you're ready, click on Google section available under Accounts and Backup. Then select All Services. Scroll down again and this time choose Autofill with Google over here. When you're ready, click on Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to remove from your manager. Now enter your current login method. If you don't have any, you need to set it up to access any password in your manager. Tap on Delete button. And last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!